Throw Throw Avocado. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Throw Throw Burrito, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out the video. Burritos are replaced with avocados, and the burrito bruises are replaced with avocado boo-boos. The double brawl targets the player to your right and left. The first one of them to get hit twice loses the brawl. Double brawl cards need to match identically to count as a complete set of 3. Freeze War starts a war with all players, including you. When a player is hit by an avocado, they must freeze in place and drop an avocado if they are holding one. The last player remaining picks the loser of the war. For the legs duel, you pick any 2 players to duel, but when they throw the avocados, they must throw them through their legs. If multiple battles start at the same time, then all players immediately start a freeze war. If any battle results in a tie because 2 players were hit simultaneously, then the tie must be resolved by a legs duel. To play with up to 12 players, you can combine the Throw Throw Avocado deck with the Throw Throw Burrito deck. Use both the boo-boos and bruise tokens, but only play with 1 Fear Me badge.